Today we have affirmations to help you find peace of mind. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am peaceful. I create inner peace for myself. I release mental tension. People feel my tranquility. Every day I feel calmer. Today I unlock peace. I am serene. I create peace easily. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.